Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Gmail account from your Android mobile phone. Not delete, just remove your extra Gmail ID which you have already created for some reason. So let's get started. So if you open your Gmail app and go to this profile section, you can see there are three Gmail IDs which already have logged into this device. So now I want to remove this Gmail ID from here. So for that I just need to go to settings, scroll down, go to Google. Now click here. Here you can see manage account on this device. Click here. Scroll down. Click on Google. Here you can see there are three accounts. Just click on the account you want to remove. Scroll down. Now click on more and there is our option remove account. Click on remove account. Now click on remove account once again. And now you can see the account has been removed from here. Now if you go back and click here, then you only see this two account, not that account which was there earlier. So this is how you remove a Google account or a Gmail account from your Android device. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.